Hello, Forever. Welcome to 2023. A new year is special for so many reasons. It defines the beginning of the next chapter. It gives us time to contemplate, recalibrate, and reset old habits and refuel our ambitions. 2023 will be extra special for us as we celebrate 45 years since Rex Ma and my dad founded Forever Living Products. From an idea which began at the kitchen table, our little family business has grown and grown and grown. They say if you want to build something strong, you must start with firm foundations, and I think those timeless principles Rex laid on the table all those years ago have helped us stand the test of time. I am proud of the fact that we have managed to create a business based on integrity, empathy, and fun, which helps others to achieve what matters most to them. When you look at those photographs of those early days and compare them to our global rallies or virtual events, you can see just how far we've come. We're now a family of businesses that spans the world in a truly complex marketplace. As a collective, we've developed vertical integration, which means we control every step from plant to product to you, so that we can guarantee the best quality health and nutritional products. For me, this business is everything. It's in my blood, and I learned from my dad that there is no shortcut for hard work. As a next generation Mon with a passion for business, I've always been conscious of the changing world around us. Through the years, I've worked alongside Rex in multiple capacities to manage the day-to-day operations and keep his incredible vision relevant and sustainable. As founder and chairman of the board, Rex was Forever, and Forever was Rex. This was, historically, our identity, but no one can replace the face of Forever. And I do not feel that that responsibility belongs just to me. It belongs to all of us. We must move forward and create longevity that truly lasts forever. As president, he entrusted me to lead the company into the digital age, enabling us to flourish in new markets with exciting products and an enhanced marketing plan. This growth enables us to impact millions of families around the world. But as you know, I haven't done it alone. Our fantastic executive management team of talented individuals with diverse backgrounds and skills have provided the firmest Forever foundations. This steadfast group of people who together have over 300 years of experience. Yes, I'm talking about Navaz, Aiden, Garen, Dave, Gary, Rhonda, and Darren. Thank you. And our brilliant team of VPs who work tirelessly to create the best possible experience and opportunities for our Forever family. Yes, I'm talking about Bill, Nick, Melissa, Rob, Holly, CG, JB, Peter, Ramses, and Yves. I am so grateful for all that you've done. We could not do this without you. The past years has shown just how strong we can be. When the world gave us challenges, together we found solutions. We found new ways to make things happen, and faster than any of us expected. And as the world continues to change faster than ever, so must we. As the business becomes more complex, as our global operations grow, strategic focus and forward planning are becoming increasingly important. This is what I was raised to do, to keep the flame alive, to be the architect of the vision of the Forever family of companies. And so I'm going to do just that. I will be able to focus on driving strategic growth and pushing Forever forward with some exciting new projects and developments. But to do this, I'm going to need help, a partner I can trust. Who better than someone with 26 years of experience of managing with Forever, Someone who has been instrumental in the growth of Forever with his roles in overseeing UK and European sales, global marketing, and international sales. I'm delighted to announce the promotion of Aidan O'Hare to the new president of Forever Living Products International LLC. He has broad experience with successful leadership roles within Forever. This makes him ideally positioned to lead the next chapter of our story. Working alongside both Rex and I for so many years, this is a natural progression, as Aidan's drive to succeed is contagious. Aidan has a deep respect for the Forever way and the preservation of Rex's legacy in which we operate. To clarify, I'm not going anywhere. I'm not stepping down. In fact, quite the opposite. I am stepping up. This change will allow me to focus on the more comprehensive vision of Forever and all of the companies that operate under the Forever name. I know this will allow us to provide a stronger Forever that will be fit for the future and for all of you. So, where is the man? Aidan, come on in, Mr. New President, Forever International. Congratulations.
Thanks, man. I really appreciate it. Thank you, Greg.
We're excited, and now it's time for you to get to work.
Oh, but you leave me? Oh, okay, here we go. Thank you, Greg. What an honor and privilege this truly is. I am so excited about this opportunity. I love this company and the people we work with throughout the world. Of course, after finding out about this new opportunity from a phone call from Greg, I told my wife, Laura, and her first question was, "Are you nervous?" And without hesitation, I responded, "No." Now, hold on a sec here. It's not that I do not appreciate the scope of this role or overestimate my limited capacities. It's because when in my mind's eye, I look around the world, I see you. I see our incredible staff, FBOs, and all of those that help us around the world. You all come from all walks of life, different backgrounds. You represent different cultures, languages, and religions. But you've all come filled with the goodness of human nature, and you want what is best for those that you love. You see, that's why I'm not nervous or afraid. I am honored, humbled, and deeply excited. You know, I've been involved with this company for half of my life, and it's true to say that I have loved every single minute of my time with Forever. I've always considered one of the greatest blessings in my life was the opportunity to work closely with Rex and to travel the world with him and Greg, watching and learning as they built this incredible company. Over the years, I've been lucky to observe their incredible leadership at close quarters. And I know what this company and all of you mean to both Greg and Rex. They love you all. They have dedicated themselves every day to your success. Now, of course, Rex isn't with us anymore, but their passion and values are everlasting and remain at the heart of what Forever truly is about today and, of course, into the future. Those values include putting others first, being brave in our decision-making, taking no shortcuts in our activities, and having integrity even when no one else is watching. There is one more important value I'll get to that in a moment. Greg highlighted in his New Year's message a few points that we'll be focused on this year and beyond. He reminded us to become problem solvers by embracing the idea of fix it and move on. He asked us to actively set goals and achieve them. He asked us to talk and invite people to the opportunity every day, to become expert in the product and the company you're involved in. He asked us to strive for exceptional customer services. And here's the part that's interesting. He said also throughout your team. So not only exceptional customer service in what you're responsible for, but your team as well. Focus on activities that build your business and volume. Don't get distracted, stay on course. Share challenges with your upline, but never with your downline. And my personal favorite, you are too important and your time too valuable to waste on distractions. So that's what we ask of you. In turn, on our end, we are going to commit on focusing on a growth mindset. We'll be working tirelessly to simplify and to make our products, marketing plan, join process, and those tricky early days as a new FBO easier to navigate and find earlier success. We will continue to invest in digital and mobile apps to ensure that you can take advantage of Forever's ability to work anywhere with ease. We will continue to build on the success of our existing product range and focusing on new products, for example, our Forever Marine Collagen and a fantastic DX4 program. And of course, Forever will always provide the very best incentives in our industry to motivate you, inspire you to make those life-changing decisions that will change your life forever. Remember that I mentioned one of the company's values that I wanted to refer to. Well, you know, it's being grateful. One of our values says to be forever grateful for who we are and what we have. To be honest, I am forever grateful. Grateful for all of you. Grateful for the opportunity that I have been given to lead this unstoppable force that is Forever. Grateful for the world-class executive team and staff that work tirelessly to make this what I believe to be the most invaluable opportunity in the world. I'm grateful to Rex for changing all of our lives and showing me the way. I'm grateful to Greg for the trust and faith he is putting in me and this monumental privilege that I have now. Here today, I truly am standing on the shoulders of giants, and I have absolute conviction that together we can make Forever into a remarkable future that will continue to provide what matters most to millions of families. Thank you, and here's to the future.